Hi, I'm Tanish Jain.
I'm Sumanth Galuru.
I'm Sachin Kumar.
I'm Nimesh Rudra.
We are AnomaTek, and today I will be telling a story about Emmanuel Miraculous. Now, Emmanuel was a near-broke employee that had a mother who was fighting an expensive battle against breast cancer. In 2006, he was accused by 2 police officers of a crime he didn't commit. Desperate to prove his innocence, Emmanuel offered to take a polygraph test and was given a 48-hour notice. Unfortunately, Emmanuel's mother died during this time. The distress and anxiety caused by his mother's passing tampered with the polygraph data, and Emmanuel failed and was sentenced to 11 years in prison.
The human's ability to lie spurred the creation of the polygraph, the world's first lie detector. This century-old approach is subject to a variety of countermeasures, making it easy to beat. Furthermore, due to the need for a trained technician, the polygraph test induces human bias as well. This expensive and extensive approach, despite its wide use, has an accuracy range from 50 to 87.5%. The polygraph causes 630,000 exploitable federal jobs and 250,000 cold cases annually. As the United States Committee on Government Operations stated, people have been deceived by a myth that a metal box in the hands of an investigator can detect truth or falsehood. Diamond Challenge, we need a better device.
MADS is the first breakthrough in 100 years that effectively uncovers lies by cross-validating microexpressions with audio sentiments. Research shows that lying is more cognitively demanding than telling the truth, and this increased load leaks microexpressions, which are involuntary brief facial gestures that cannot be detected by the naked eye or be faked by the subject. This is why our system has no known countermeasures. Furthermore, MADS is a cost-efficient solution, as it lowers testing expenditures by nearly 70%, with a duration on par with optimal lie detectors ranging from 15 to 30 minutes. All these factors compile into a 94% accuracy, the highest known accuracy on the lie detection market.
The solution's hardware requirement is only a camera and a computer. The software comprises 3 key steps: audio analysis, video analysis, and scoring. From the split data, the audio feed is fed into an NLP model which will then extract connotation. Simultaneously, the video feed is fed into a CNN to extract a microexpression. The data from both channels converge into the scoring engine and produce a percentage indicating the likelihood that the subject was lying. Responses are compiled into a user summary displayed on the UI and are protected with a 2-factor authentication specific to each individual client. Our NLP model is on par with the best known connotation extractors available, and our universal microexpression model is the best known algorithm on the market. The next best microexpression detector was the Carnegie Mellon algorithm at 67.7% accuracy. This concept has undergone field testing with law enforcement agencies, and we are in contact with Satya Vanity, the creator of the CMU model, who has aided us in beta testing, as we look into options for field testing prioritizing opportunities in the private sector due to our competitive edge.
MADS is the first non-intrusive deceit detection technology that offers significant benefits over available technologies in the industry. The bulk of AI-based replacements have limitations on various fronts, but AnomaTek's software is the first AI-based model that is not forced into a trade-off between accuracy, efficiency, and cost. The best of all worlds.
We will offer our software through a subscription-based license model. Customers will have the option of purchasing a unit license or a discounted 3-tiered enterprise license. The software licensing fee will be the primary source of revenue by the 3rd year of our launch. In the interim, we will have acquired monetary assets from friends and family and are pursuing government grants and angel investors.
We plan to tap into the $2 billion polygraph industry promptly, showcasing our plethora of benefits over their current systems. We then progress to industries that do not have lie detectors in use, but can benefit from them instead of relying on human capability, such as fraud detection in the insurance industry, presently valued at $30 billion. Our reluctant customers show limited interest in lie detection, and we wish to convey that MADS complies with ethical standards and privacy laws.
Now, our market expansion involves industries that can leverage MADS to achieve their own goals. Some examples include analyzing how an audience perceives an idea or solution, detecting drowsiness, and sending personalized messages to alert smart car drivers, and improving system authentication and verification services with facial and auditory biometrics.
Our market launch will be split into 3 expansion phases. The first will target the public sector, the second will aim for the private sector, and the third phase will take our product to the global market and repeat phases 1 and 2 in other countries.
Now let's run back Emmanuel's story with MADS. Through baseline questions, video analysis would likely deduce sadness due to his mother's passing, and audio analysis would likely deduce a negative connotation due to his frightened answers. Now these emotions would have persisted through, and the scoring engine would output a score far less than 50%. Due to the lack of testimonial evidence against Emmanuel, he would have been acquitted and been able to support his family for many years to come. This is what AnomaTek is capable of. Diamond Challenge, AnomaTek is the future.